Alright, so today we're going to be doing a microfilter replacement for this BMW X5. So what you're going to want to do is get underneath your passenger side dashboard. And when you look down here, you're going to see there are these clips on both sides here. What you're going to want to do is just get your finger and rotate them 90 degrees until it pops down. Now we can go ahead and pull this thing out, just wiggle it out. Sometimes it gets a little stuck, but just have to wiggle it out. And now we're going to go ahead and disconnect this connector. It helps to have clip remover so you can take this piece here off. If you don't have a clip remover, you can probably use a screwdriver, but clip remover makes it a lot easier to remove. So now we're going to move that panel out of the way. And when you look down here, you're going to see this box right here. There's a T20 screw there and a T20 screw over here. But before taking those off, I usually like to just remove this hose and move it out of my way. So now we're going to go ahead and take off these T20 screws. This one, and now for the second one. Now we can flip this tab down right here. And be careful pulling this out because the tabs on the front side are very brittle, so just wiggle it out. These are the plastic tabs I'm talking about. They break pretty easily, so just try to be gentle with it when you're going in and when you're going out. Now we can see the two filters here. All we have to do is get a finger in there and it slides right out. And if you notice the direction of the arrow, this one points forward, so we're gonna do that with the new filter as well. We're going to point them forward. So go ahead and get your new filters. Make sure when we put them back in that the arrow is pointing forward. And you don't want to jam them in there. It should go in really smooth. If it's not going in smooth, you might have to go to your AC settings and put the fresh air flap into, put the AC into fresh air mode. Yeah, this one goes in super smooth. So we're gonna go ahead and put this panel back on. And we're going to line it up with these tabs in the back of this AC housing. So just be very gentle. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but you want to make sure that the tabs fit in correctly on both sides. There you go, that looks to be correctly seated, so we're going to go ahead and put these T20 screws back on. And we're not going to make them insanely tight, they just have to be snug. If you tighten them too hard, you can break the plastic. Once you feel a little bit of resistance, just stop. That's tight enough. Now get your second bolt, your second screw, and put them in this wall. Same thing, you're just gonna want to make it snug. All right, now don't forget to put the hose back on. Now get your under panel and go ahead and reconnect this clip and connector. Now we're gonna want to line this up to here, and this piece to here. And now we're just simply gonna put these back into the lock position. And you're done.